In this video, I want to talk about how you can take out money from Webull. Now to do this, all you need is you need to have your Webull account. You need to have the app downloaded. So go on your phone and download the Webull app, and then we're good to go. So what you need to do is you need to open up the Webull on your phone, click on the logo, and then go to transfers. Inside of here, you should be able to see a withdraw button, and then you just want to select the withdraw and select your currency that you are withdrawing to. Then you need to link your bank account. If you already did this, then obviously you don't have to do this. But if you haven't linked it yet, you just need to do that. And it's really easy. You just want to follow the instructions, and it should take up to a few minutes. After that, simply enter how much you want to withdraw, but keep in mind that there might be a minimum withdrawal amount. After that, you just want to confirm it, and now your money is being withdrawn. So that is the easiest way that you can do this, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.